Welcome to our countdown of the top tourist places in Canada for 2024. Explore the most breathtaking destinations in this beautiful country, from majestic mountains to vibrant cities and charming coastal towns. Buckle up, Buttercup, for an epic adventure through the Great White North. First up, the crown jewel of the Canadian Rockies, Banff National Park. Picture this: turquoise glacial lakes, snow-capped peaks that touch the heavens, and more elk than you can shake a stick at. World-class hiking, skiing, and enough outdoor adventures for any adrenaline junkie. Next up, we're visiting Mother Nature's power washer, Niagara Falls. Take a boat tour to the base of the falls, explore tunnels behind the water, or soar above on a helicopter ride. Just don't think about the movie Niagara. Hold on to your toques, folks. We're heading to the West Coast. Vancouver is that effortlessly cool friend, a city slicker and outdoor enthusiast. Bustling city life, world-class restaurants, trendy shops, and vibrant nightlife. Snow-capped peaks rise from the city skyline, perfect for hiking or Instagram. Time to hit up the biggest city in Canada, Toronto. A melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and experiences. Explore world-class museums, catch a show in the entertainment district, or indulge in retail therapy. And don't forget the iconic CN Tower, dominating the skyline like a concrete exclamation point. Quebec City, bonjour, charme. Get ready to brush up on your French, because we're heading to Quebec City, the heart of French Canada. It's like stepping into a European fairy tale with cobblestone streets and historic architecture. Wander through Old Quebec, marvel at Chateau Frontenac, and indulge in delicious French cuisine. Montreal, where the parties never stop, and neither does the Poutine. Known for its joie de vivre, world-class festivals, buzzing nightlife, and endless cultural attractions. And of course, no trip is complete without serious Poutine. Jasper National Park, nature's playground. Just watch out for the bears. A nature lover's paradise with pristine lakes, glaciers, and abundant wildlife. Go hiking in the backcountry or cruise along the scenic Icefields Parkway. Soak it all in. Ottawa, where the politics are old, but the fun is always new. Explore world-class museums, charming neighborhoods, and delicious food. In winter, the city becomes a giant wonderland with the world's largest skating rink. Prince Edward Island, Anne of Green Gables, red sands, and delicious seafood, not necessarily in that order. Rolling green hills, charming seaside towns, and iconic red sand beaches. Explore the Anne of Green Gables house, indulge in delicious seafood, or relax on the beach and soak up the island vibes. Calling all powder hounds and adrenaline junkies, we're heading to Whistler, Canada's premier ski destination. A winter wonderland with over 200 runs and legendary backcountry terrain. But Whistler isn't just about the slopes. The village is a bustling hub with world-class restaurants, bars, and shops. Get ready for afternoon tea and garden strolling, because we're heading to Victoria, the capital of British Columbia. This place is like a little slice of England with its Victorian architecture and love for tea. Explore the historic Empress Hotel, wander through Butchert Gardens, or soak up the city's laid-back vibe. Dust off your cowboy hats and practice your best yeehaw, because we're heading to Calgary, home to the Calgary Stampede, the greatest outdoor show on earth. For 10 days every July, the city transforms into a giant rodeo. Enough cowboy hats to fill a stadium. Calgary also boasts world-class restaurants and a thriving arts scene. Growmore National Park, where the mountains meet the sea and the geology is out of this world. A hiker's paradise with trails through ancient mountains and dramatic coastlines past breathtaking waterfalls. Take a boat tour on Western Brook Pond, marvel at the Tablelands cliffs, or soak up the rugged beauty. Halifax East Coast charm, maritime history, and delicious seafood. Steeped in maritime history with a working waterfront, historic forts, and a Titanic connection. Explore the Citadel, pay respects at Fairview Lawn Cemetery, or wander the vibrant waterfront. St. John's colourful houses, lively pubs, and a whole lot of Newfoundland charm. Climb Signal Hill for stunning views of the city and harbour, or settle into a cozy pub with live music and a pint. Get ready for some East Coast hospitality because we're heading to St. John's, the capital of Newfoundland and Labrador. Okanagan Valley, wine country, sunshine and lake life. It's like Napa Valley but with more Mounties. Relax, unwind and indulge in award-winning wines, fresh local produce and breathtaking views. Tour wineries, hike or bike through rolling hills, or relax by the lake and soak up the sunshine. Churchill polar bears, beluga whales and northern lights. Oh my, see polar bears in the wild, thousands of beluga whales migrating and the northern lights dancing across the sky. Explore the Churchill Museum, learn the town's history or experience the Arctic's magic. Bay of Fundy, home to the world's highest tides and some pretty impressive whales too. The tides rise and fall dramatically twice a day, revealing a constantly changing landscape. Take a whale watching tour and spot some of the many species of whales that call the Bay of Fundy home. Calling all outdoor enthusiasts. We're heading to Algonquin Provincial Park, Ontario's oldest and largest provincial park, a haven for canoeists, campers and nature lovers, with lakes, rivers, forests and wildlife. Paddle pristine waterways, camp under the stars, hike through forests, or relax by the lake. Experience the heart of the Canadian prairies in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, a vibrant and welcoming city. Enjoy riverfront walks, cultural festivals and a laid-back vibe. Explore the Miiwasin Valley Trail, visit the Ramai Modern Art Gallery or relax in the city's parks and gardens. Get ready for an adventure north of 60, folks, because we're heading to Whitehorse, the capital of Yukon Territory, where the wilderness is vast. The history is rich and the adventures are endless. Experience the magic of the north, from the dancing northern lights to the thrill of dog sledding and the Klondike Gold Rush history. Soak up the unique atmosphere of this northern city. Tofino surfing, storm watching and rainforests. It's the Pacific Northwest, but with more Canadians. A magnet for surfers, nature lovers and storm watchers. Learn to surf at many surf schools, explore Pacific Rim National Park Reserve, or relax in a cozy cafe and enjoy the views. Kootenay National Park, hot springs, hiking trails and mountain scenery. It's like Banff, but with fewer crowds. A paradise for hikers, campers and nature lovers, with towering mountains, pristine lakes and natural hot springs. Hike to Stanley Glacier, soak in Radium Hot Springs or drive Kootenay Parkway and marvel at the views. Charlottetown, birthplace of Confederation, home to Anne of Green Gables and full of maritime charm, Victorian architecture, charming streets and Anne of Green Gables. Explore the historic downtown, visit the Confederation Centre of the Arts or stroll along the waterfront. Yeehaw National Park, waterfalls, natural bridges and emerald lakes. It's like a fairy tale, but with more bears. A hiker's paradise with trails leading to breathtaking scenery. Hike to Takako Falls, walk across Kicking Horse River, or dip in Emerald Lake. Regina, city of parks, home to the RCMP and full of prairie charm, wide open spaces, cultural attractions and a laid-back vibe. Explore Wascana Centre, home to the Legislative Building, the Royal Saskatchewan Museum and the Mackenzie Art Gallery. Visit the RCMP Heritage Centre. Thunder Bay, Sleeping Giant, Kakabeka Falls and outdoor adventures, a haven for hikers, bikers and nature lovers near Sleeping Giant, Provincial Park, Kakabeka Falls and the Canadian Shield. Hike to the top of the Sleeping Giant, marvel at Kakabeka Falls or explore Thunder Bay's historic waterfront. Get ready for some maritime charm, folks, because we're heading to Fredericton, the capital of New Brunswick, known for its historic architecture, beautiful riverfront and thriving craft brewery scene. Stroll along the St. John River, explore the historic Garrison District and enjoy some local brews, visit the Beaverbrook Art Gallery or stroll the Fredericton Trail System. Bundle up, folks, we're heading to Yellowknife, the capital of the Northwest Territories, known for extreme temperatures, stunning northern lights and rich mining history. This place is not for the faint of heart, but if you're looking for an adventure, Yellowknife is the place to be. See the northern lights dance across the sky, learn about the city's diamond mining history, or take a dog sledding or ice fishing tour. Get ready for a blast from the past, folks, because we're heading to Lunenburg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its colorful buildings and rich maritime history. It's like stepping back in time with its narrow streets and historic waterfront. Explore the Fisheries Museum or visit the Lunenburg Academy. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Canada's top tourist destinations for 2024. From the Rocky Mountains to the Atlantic and Pacific coastlines, subscribe and share for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure. In Canada, you're practically family, especially if you bring snacks.